Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
Where should a driver position their vehicle before turning left? A. With the offside wheels close to the center line. B. They should swing out to the right before the turn. C. Slightly over the center line. D. Well to the left of the road. The correct answer is D. Well to the left of the road. Explanation: as you approach a left turn, maintain your normal driving position on the left. Don't swing out before you turn, and make sure that you've reduced your speed and are in the correct gear. Look into the road before you turn and give way to any pedestrians who are crossing. You find that your eyesight has become very poor. Who must you inform if your optician says they can't help you? A. Your doctor. B. The licensing authority. C. An approved optician. D. The police. The correct answer is B. The licensing authority. Explanation: one condition of holding a driving license is that you must inform the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, or the Driver and Vehicle Agency, DVA, in Northern Ireland, if your health deteriorates in any way that affects your ability to drive. This also applies if your eyesight deteriorates to the point that you can no longer meet the driver's eyesight requirements. What must you have when you're renewing your vehicle tax? A. The vehicle handbook. B. A valid driving license. C. Valid vehicle insurance. D. The vehicle's service record. The correct answer is C. Valid vehicle insurance. Explanation: when renewing your vehicle tax, you must have valid insurance cover for the vehicle. It's illegal to drive or keep a vehicle on public roads without insurance cover. What's the most likely cause when the brake pedal feels spongy? A. Worn brake pads. B. Worn discs. C. Incorrectly adjusted pedal linkages. D. Air in the hydraulic system. The correct answer is D. Air in the hydraulic system. Explanation: if you operate the brakes when air is in the hydraulic system, they'll have a spongy feel and braking efficiency will be reduced. This is because the air in the system is being compressed as you brake. Hydraulic brake fluid alone can't be compressed. If you notice there's a fault with your brakes, have them checked as soon as possible. Don't drive with faulty brakes. You arrive at the scene of a crash. The scene has been made safe and there's a casualty in the vehicle. What should you do if the casualty is conscious and breathing? A. Keep the casualty warm and give them a warm drink. B. Leave the casualty in the vehicle in case they're seriously injured. C. Remove the casualty and place them in the recovery position. D. Get the casualty out of the vehicle and off the road. The correct answer is B. Leave the casualty in the vehicle in case they're seriously injured. Explanation: even if you've had no first aid training, you can help at a crash. Deal with any danger. Make sure that the emergency services are called, and help those involved. If a casualty isn't in danger, then don't move them, as they may have injuries you can't see. Reassure them and wait for the emergency services to arrive. Which lights should you use when you're driving on a busy, well-lit motorway at night? A. Dipped headlights. B. Main beam headlights. C. Side lights. D. Daytime running lights. The correct answer is A. Dipped headlights. Explanation: always use your headlights, even on motorways that are lit. Use dip beam where necessary, to avoid dazzling other drivers. What should you do if you're driving on a motorway and begin to feel drowsy? A. Increase your speed to reduce your journey time. B. Pull over onto the hard shoulder when it's convenient. C. Switch on your heater to circulate warm air. D. Open a window and leave the motorway by the next exit. The correct answer is D. Open a window and leave the motorway by the next exit. Explanation. When you start to feel tired, it's vital to stop in a safe place as soon as you can. If there's no service area for several miles, leave the motorway at the next exit and find somewhere to rest. While finding somewhere to stop, keep the car well ventilated with fresh air. Don't stop on the hard shoulder to rest. A police officer asks to see your documents. You don't have them with you. How long do you have to produce them at a police station? A. 21 days. B. 7 days. C. 5 days. D. 14 days. The correct answer is B. 7 days. Explanation. You must be able to show your documents to a police officer when asked to do so. If you don't have them with you, you're allowed to produce them at a police station within 7 days. A casualty has stopped breathing and you've started giving them chest compressions. How long should you continue trying to resuscitate them? A. Until the color of their skin becomes pink. B. Until they can breathe unaided or until medical help arrives. C. Until someone has called the emergency services. D. Until you feel there's no hope of them recovering. The correct answer is B. Until they can breathe unaided or until medical help arrives. Explanation. When giving cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, continue until the casualty is breathing unaided or until medical help arrives. Don't give up. Look for signs of recovery and check the casualty's pulse. Avoid moving them unless it's necessary for their safety. What should you do if you have to treat someone for shock at the scene of a collision? A. Cool them down as soon as possible. B. Walk them around to calm them down. C. Reassure them confidently. D. Give them something cold to drink. The correct answer is C. Reassure them confidently. Explanation. Stay with the casualty and talk to them confidently to reassure them. Avoid moving them unnecessarily. In case they're injured, keep them warm, but don't give them anything to eat or drink.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.